Hi guys, welcome back. I've asked you on my Instagram what would you like to see more, and most of you people voted for normal workouts. So I thought it would be a good idea to start with a good morning workout. So I've combined exercises and stretches, so it's a perfect start of your day, but you can do this really at any time of the day. The only thing you'll be needing is a soft surface beneath you because we are going to be on the floor. And without further ado, let's just get into our workout. Alright, so our first exercise, we're gonna breathe in and breathe out and come back up. Get ready? Here we go.
Want your kisses in the morning light. Wanna be next to you every night. No, I shouldn't love you, but I might. Cause your lips, they taste like cherry wine. You're no good for me. We're so bittersweet, but I still want you. I do. Baby, can't you see what you do to me? I just can't resist you. You got me drunk in love, I can't see. I need to sober.
Alright, next to our next exercise, gonna squat and arm circle. Squat, arm circle. Here we go. Nice and slow. Go nice and deep.
Stay with me until tomorrow. Could you be the one to kill my soul?
Make sure you keep breathing.
Maybe one night you can play the hero. Even if I know it's only for show.
Maybe there.
No good for me. We're so bittersweet, but I still want you. I do. Baby, can't you see what you do to me? I just can't.
Alright, we're gonna go to the floor. We're gonna do some knee stretches, really crunch it to your belly. Get ready. Here we go. Keep your core engaged. Tuck your belly button into your spine. And keep breathing. Alright, hands and knees. We're gonna do 2 mountain climbers. You're gonna step forward and stretch. Go back and mountain climbers. Here we go. Forward, stretch, come back down. 1, 2, up, and stretch. Again, keep your core nicely engaged. Maybe there. 10 seconds. Alright. Next exercise, you're gonna go on your knees. Gonna do a push-up and stretch. Take this as quick, how fast, how slow you are.
We'll be alright, just you and I, singing from the top of
Again, keep that core nice and tight.
Gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do.
Nearly there. Alright, plank position. And you're gonna right hand reach to your left toe. If that's too far for you, go to your knee. And here we go. So either reach to your toe or reach to your knee. Again, keep your core engaged. Seconds. Righty. Stand up. I'm gonna do some side crunches. Hands behind your head and slowly crunch. 4 on the left, 4 on the right. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and change. 1, 3, crunch it. Don't forget to keep your core engaged. Ready? Alright, next up, I'm going to do a courtesy lunge. Side to side. Woo. It's hot today. Nice and slow. Nearly. That's what happens when I talk. I lose my concentration. Seconds. Keep going. Go as low as you feel comfortable. Alright. Last one. Spread out and you're going to reach your right hand to your left toe or to your knee, whatever feels more comfortable for you. Get ready. Give a nice stretch on your days. Nice and slow. Nothing crazy today, but I'm sweating. Again, keep your core engaged. Alright, shake your arms out. Legs. And finished. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this short good morning workout. If you have any requests on what workout I should be doing next, leave it down below in the comments. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. And if you are new here, Don't forget to press that subscribe button and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any amazing workouts. I hope you all have a fantastic, amazing day, and I will see you guys later.